they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. To beat like the wings of the birds that rise to the trees. My heart wants to cycle like the chime that flows from a church on the breeze. To laugh like a brook has the wings of the birds that flies to the trees. And sing to the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hill when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear that I've heard before. My heart will be blessed with the sound of music. And I'll sing once more. Good morning, everybody. Now we start our lesson. Follow me. Though a deer, a female deer, weigh a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, far a long, long way to run. So a needle pulling train, la, a note to follow. So be a drink with jam and bread that will bring back to joy. Do re mi fa sol la si do. Do mi so so re fa fa la ti ti. When she so so do notes you can sing much anything. A deer, a female deer, a drop of golden sun. The name I call myself, a long, long way to run. A needle pulling train, a note to follow. So a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to joy. Do re mi fa sol la si do sol do. Climb every mountain, for every street, follow every rainbow, every step you need. The dream that will need of the love you can give. Every step of your life, for as long as you live. Climb every mountain, for every street, follow every rainbow, till you find your
Putri Ayu. Terima kasih banyak UDW Dancers. Putri Ayu, kita ngobrol sebentar nih. Memang tantangannya minggu lalu itu tentang Sound of Music ya?
Ya.
Emang lagu ini bercerita tentang apa sih Putri?
Sebenarnya cerita ini, jadi ada seorang
wanita, dia itu melamar jadi kayak seorang pembantu lah sama. Dia tuh melamar di rumah seorang tentara yang punya anak 7. Nah di situ dia berusaha untuk mengajarkan anak-anak itu, dan ternyata si tentara ini suka sama si cewek ini. Cuman karena masa peperangan, ya karena itu mereka nggak disetujui dan mereka lari, dan sambil lari itu mereka nyanyi gitu.
Wow.